So this is the entity we are watching very closely. This right here has a 10% chance of development over the next 7 days, but what we expect is that it will just be absorbed into the circulation of this potential stronger area of low pressure. So right now it has a 70% chance of developing in the next 2 days, 80% in the next 7 days. So it's been a slow mover. We were watching this area a week ago, but in time it is expected to pick up some speed. So Invest 97L moving to the northeast at 8, max winds at 25 miles per hour. So not much to talk about right now, but in time we do believe it will organize and grow in strength because it's over very, very warm waters of the Caribbean, anywhere from 85 to 88 degrees. So this model, this is the American model, showing it moving kind of northeast, but then taking a turn more to the northwest. And we're going to see an area of high pressure building in, which will help keep it to our west, but it's likely could go very near the Keys and then out in the Gulf of Mexico. It will increase our rain chances Tuesday through Thursday. We're also watching subtropical storm Patty way out there. Patty is headed to Portugal by Tuesday, so the Azores need to be prepared for some stormy weather tonight. After that, not much else to do with Patty. So seas increasing as we head into Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday, anywhere up to 8 and 10 feet. So